Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make a quick booth kind of setup that is similar to what I normally do, but we need to edit it for flying shows. So normally I have a stand like this that we made out of wood, and it's much heavier and it's more durable, and you can put a lot of weight on top of it and you don't have to worry about it bending or anything. But for flying shows, we have to be very conscious of how heavy everything is, because suitcases can't go more than 50 pounds unless you want to pay a fine, and you want to make it as condensed and efficient as possible. So you can kind of see what I'm doing here with the foam board, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Essentially, remember the trifold stands that you get when you're a kid doing like a science fair project? Well, I bought them at a local Target. And then you just take one of the wings, and if I can do this right on video, snap it off.
Whoa! I was not expecting.
So then, these are 28 inches though, and I need it to be 24 because we have a 6-foot booth at Emerald City this weekend, so that would be 3 feet. So I need each of these to be 2 feet. So all I do is I measure with the tape measure 4 inches and cut it off with an X-Acto knife, and then you're good to go. So you'll have 3 next to each other, and it's much easier to travel with. And then once it's all put together, I'll show you what it looks like. So once it's all finished, you put the tablecloth over it. It creates a nice dip for the prints to be shown. Mainly I do this so that the gold can reflect on the lights that are overhead and it creates more of a sheen. Otherwise it kind of lays flat and it dulls it out. And then here I can also do a nice double fold like that. And then do it all the way down, and that's how you create the booth setup.